Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Device Farm for testing mobile apps. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate AWS Device Farm for testing mobile apps, start by signing into your AWS Management Console at aws.amazon.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Services menu and search for Device Farm. Click on Device Farm to open the service dashboard. On the Device Farm dashboard, look for the Get Started button and click on it to begin the setup process. You will then be prompted to select either a new project or an existing one. If creating a new project, enter a name for your project and click Create. Next, choose the type of application you want to test, a native app, a web app, or a hybrid. If you select a mobile app, you will need to upload your app's APK or IPA file. Click on Upload and locate your app file on your computer. Once the file has been uploaded, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you can select the devices you want to use for testing. Scroll through the list of available devices and check the boxes next to your preferred options. After selecting the devices, click on the Next button. You will then have options to configure your run settings, such as test type and device interaction mode. Select the test framework you want to use if you have specific testing scripts prepared. You can also set environment variables and access permissions in this step. Once you have configured your settings, click on the Start Run button to initiate the testing process. The Device Farm will now begin running your tests on the selected devices. You can monitor the progress in real time on the dashboard. After the testing is complete, you will receive a detailed report. The report includes logs, screenshots, and performance metrics. Review the results thoroughly to analyze your app's performance across different devices. If any issues arise, use the logs and screenshots to troubleshoot effectively. Once you've completed your analysis, you can implement any necessary changes to your app based on the findings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.